Well, friends at Whānau, well, today is an exciting day. We are in Hamilton. And where are we, brother?
We're at Te Maui in Hamilton.
And you guys do amazing carvings, absolutely stunning.
Thank you.
And what are we doing here today?
Today we're getting a bit of a rundown on how resin works.
And we're going to create some art pieces, do some coasters, some dragons and frogs. And a dirty pool. And yeah, well, I just hope you guys have fun, enjoy it, enjoy the process and embrace it. And hopefully in the future we can see some of the pieces that you craft or incorporate into some carvings.
Yes, yep.
It's all good.
Good.
Yeah, it would be very good to come back again and do some stuff. Lynn's most likely going to be more available than I am for about 6 to 8 weeks. But after I get through the next 6 to 8 weeks, I'll be free. You're getting pretty good at that now, bro. Hey? Yeah. You love it, don't you?
Yeah.
Hey?
Keep going.
You love it. You love it. It's good to see.
So we went through on the 1-in-1, how much and which one's part A and part B. Just touch base of what we went through, and they got everything correct, which is awesome.
Hopefully I can get some more packs and more products, and we can come back and teach us another really cool stuff like doing boards and small tables.
Yeah.
You know, we thank you for your time to come and show us how to use this product.
Yep.
It's been a bit of a fun day, that's it.
Good job. Let's put all out in the centre. Just keep pouring. No, just in the centre. Look at that. No, keep going. Look at the room. Keep going. It doesn't matter what you're making. You use a tripod stick.
No, you're not going to use an egg beater. What you'll do is you'll just put a whole lot of air into the resin. So doing it this way with a flat stack, you're not putting too much air into the resin. Where are you going to put that, brother?
On my lips.
Oh, you're such a sexy man. All the way up to the top. Don't want it to overflow, but just, yep, a little bit more. Yep, I think that'll be enough. Yep, that's beautiful. Perfect. You've done well.
Thank you.
Is that for your?
Clear colour, it's totally up to you. Do you need any?
Yep, that's beautiful, mate. You might need a little water. Mix up a little bit more.
We grab some color.
And this is the UV, yes?
Yes. So let me just grab some glue. This is UV resin. I'm going to mix it with some color. We're not mixing much, so we don't need much color. You just mix it through. That all the powders have gone through.
And it's not lumpy, so you don't want to have lumps in the powder,
Yep.
or else it can cause blobbing in the underside of the piece.
Now they use this for just fine inlays or in the carve
Or doing jewelry pieces.
or doing jewelry pieces.
Standing next to me, Northland Resin sets you free. Feel the love so endlessly, crafting dreams for all to see.
UV light.
For coming in to show us your mahi was an awesome experience to make our taonga. Kia ora.
Yeah, no, thank you. Thanks for having us. We really appreciate it.
Tēnā kōrua. Lynn, para mai, taunei te kō te rākau ko tāma nei kōrua. Thank you both for being here today. Absolutely. Look, I'm ready to put one leg in the 6 feet under, but this has brought me out and I just want to start a new life again from 21 years old. So that's what it's done to me.
Yeah, I mean,
Very
it's
inspirational.
very, very good, and it's very good for mental health, and it helps people get through tough times.
And you stay 21.
Yes.
Yeah, I thought you looked about 21, bro.
Oh, yep, thank you Paul and Lynn for showing us how to pour resin. I'm looking forward to incorporating it into...
You
some
are an
carving.
animal. You love it. All day. I haven't been able to stop you all day. It's like, here, I'll do yours for you, bro. Yeah,
I
all
had a
good.
time.
Yeah, that's great.
Tēnei te mihi atu kia porua. Thank you for coming in and sharing your fullest wisdom with us.
Yeah.
We'll hopefully do you proud one day. and
Oh,
see
yeah,
yourself
no, you already
grow.
have today. I mean, you guys, along with the others, have, been really awesome, and yeah, we really appreciate everything you've done. Thanks for lunch and the hospitality. It's been absolutely awesome.
So those two taonga you've got,
Yes,
you have to give them a name each, okay?
yes,
Hopefully it's a name from here somewhere. We leave that to you.
yes.
But Ray is a good name.
Okay, yes, I get it. I like the name, right? Keep creative.
Okay, Mrs. Passionart, we better hit the road.
Yes, we have to.
Go and get sticky at our next location.
Yep.